Have you ever sat down and thought, what would happen if you mix black cumin oil into carrot juice? An unusual question, yet one that paves the way for a fascinating journey into the realm of natural health remedies. In this video, we're going to dive into the unique blend of black cumin oil and carrot juice, exploring the individual benefits of these components, how they interact, and their collective impact on our health. Stay tuned as we explore this fascinating combination and its potential benefits. First, let's delve into the world of black cumin oil, a treasure trove of health benefits. Originating from the Nigella sativa plant, this oil has been lauded for centuries across cultures for its holistic health benefits. It's a power player in traditional medicine, known for its ability to soothe inflammation, bolster the immune system, and promote overall wellness. Peeking into its nutritional profile, black cumin oil is rich in essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins. It's a veritable cocktail of health-boosting compounds. The linoleic acid, a type of omega-6 fatty acid, works wonders for the skin, while thymoquinone, its active compound, has been praised for its potent anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. What's more, these aren't just traditional beliefs. Modern scientific research echoes these claims. Numerous studies have highlighted the oil's potential in managing conditions such as diabetes, hypertension, and even asthma. So black cumin oil is quite the health powerhouse, but what about carrot juice? Now let's turn our attention to carrot juice, a drink packed full of essential nutrients and vitamins. Carrot juice is a nutritional powerhouse brimming with beta-carotene, which our bodies convert into vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for good vision, a strong immune system, and healthy skin. Carrot juice is also a rich source of vitamin C and K. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that fights off harmful free radicals in the body, while vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. Moreover, the fiber content in carrot juice aids digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness, which can be beneficial for weight management. And let's not forget the potassium in carrot juice that supports heart health by helping to regulate blood pressure. Scientific research has consistently supported these benefits, so it's clear that carrot juice alone can do wonders for your health. So we have two potent health-boosting ingredients, but what happens when you mix them together? The magic happens when these two powerhouses come together. Individually, black cumin oil and carrot juice offer a plethora of health benefits, but when combined, they create a potent health elixir, particularly beneficial for our eyes. The synergy between black cumin oil and carrot juice enhances their individual properties, resulting in a mixture that can cleanse, rejuvenate, and fortify the health of our eyes. This combination acts as a natural cleanser, removing harmful toxins that can cloud our vision. It also helps in reducing eye pressure, a significant factor in glaucoma, thus promoting overall eye health. Moreover, this dynamic duo strengthens the eye by nourishing it with essential nutrients and antioxidants, protecting it from damage caused by free radicals. This can lead to improved vision and potentially delay the onset of age-related eye disorders. Now let's talk about how to prepare this magical mixture. The ratio is key here. You'll want to mix 7 parts black cumin oil into your carrot juice. This ratio ensures a balance that maximizes the health benefits while still maintaining a palatable taste. It's as simple as pouring your black cumin oil into a glass of carrot juice, stirring it well, and voila, your health-boosting mixture is ready to be enjoyed. So there you have it, a powerful health-boosting mixture that's not only beneficial but also easy to prepare at home.